Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Homecoming. So guys, this episode starts off with Ubabu Zenzo. He is eating iporridge yakhe ekuseni ekitchen. uMashabalala is busy there in the kitchen. uNomfundo is busy polishing izicathulo zakhe. So uMashabalala then says, hayi Nomfundo, yini ungayopolishela ngaphandle? Awubona ukuthi uyangcolisa la endlini? uNomfundo then says, ngiyaqolisa ma, sengiqedile. As they speaking like that, Uzethu walks into the kitchen, guys. She's all dressed up. Remember Uzethu akasebenzi. She's all dressed up, guys, and she looks like she's sulking. Ingathi she woke up on the wrong side of the bed. So Uzethu comes in and she's like, sanibonani. uMashabalala then says, hayi bo, yini? Udliwa yini ekuseni kangaka wena? Uzethu then says, ngithole umyalezo la, confirming that hearing yami is tomorrow. But mina, I was reckless ngaleya surgery. They say that the doctor walked in a few minutes after me. Ngempela bawakambelane amanga ma. Wonke umuntu uzamile ukumthinta udokotela loyana, but couldn't reach him. His phone was off. I wouldn't have even set ubhonti wami kuleya theater ma, had the doctor been there. uMashabalala then says, Zethu mntanami, hamba phela kusasa uyobatshela lokho. Uzethu then says, into engizoyenza njengamanje, ngiyahamba ngiyawulesa sibhedlela ngiyokhuluma nabo nurse and get to the bottom of the truth. uMashabalala then says, ingenelwe yini lengane? Usufuna uzenza umsearch ke manje. Yini ngempela inkinga yakho Zethu? Uzethu then says, ma, ngiyazi okwamanje, I understand and you don't get my reasons. Kulungile kodwa into engizoyenza njengamanje, ngiyaphuma ngiyawulesa sibhedlela. So as she's about to walk out, uMashabalala then says, where's it? Uyabona mntanami, le mpakamo yakho yinkulu ingangalendlu. Ngiyathandaza uNkulunkulu akusize mntanami, ingekakushayi ngoba cha mina sengiyazigeza izandla zami. uNomfundo guys, she just goes over to Uzethu, because Uzethu, you can see ukuthi she's going through a lot, and uMashabalala like, Uzethu doesn't need all this that uMashabalala is saying at this point. uNomfundo goes over to hug Uzethu like to say ukuthi yazi mntakama ngiyakusupporta mina, and then Uzethu just leaves the house nje kanjalo. A few moments later guys, Uzethu's out the house. She is walking on her way to catch a taxi to the hospital to go and confront the nurses. So as she's walking, uShobane uhamba ngemoto yakhe. So uShobane is like, Zethu, ngiyacela cela ukhuluma nawe kancane dale. Ay uZethu amzibe guys. uShobane then says, Zethu, ngiyacela cela ume kancane. Uzethu just keeps on walking, guys, and she ignores him. uShobane stops his car, he gets out, ajahe Uzethu. He then says, ngiyacela cela ume Zethu, ngiyacela. Uzethu ame ngempela. uShobane goes on to say, ngiyaxolisa Zethu, ngiyazi ukuthi ngabe asikho la. If I had defended you from my mother, ngiyaxolisa. Usebenze kakhulu dali to be where you are right now. You sacrifice so much. You don't deserve any of these trials and tribulations. Mina ngiyakwazi lokho. Uzethu then says, how? Awusho. uShobane then says, we all make our mistakes, sithandwa sami. Please ngiyacela sithandwa sami, cela wehlise umoya, ungivumele to help you. Uzethu then says, yazi weShobane, mawungayibheka le ndawo esihlala kuyona, uziphe nje isikhathi to look around. Kunabantu inqwaba futhi abadinga usizo lwakho. Mina ke angiyena omunye wabo. Empeleni yazi, there is actually something that you can do for me. uShobane then says, noma yini dali. Uzethu then says, ngesibhedlela njengamanje, I would go there myself. Kodwa isimo sami uyasibona mos. Obviously speaking ngemoto, ukuthi uZethu akanayo imoto. uShobane is here with the car and she's on her way to the clinic or to the hospital rather. So she's asking uShobane to take her there. uShobane then says, helping is my calling. Sondela dali, cela ungene emotweni. He goes and open the car for her, and uZethu gets in, guys. Next scene, we see uMokuzane uZenzo, ubaba kaZethu, use-ofisini lika-matron. And I'm just like, what is he doing here? Is he here ukuzothethalela uZethu? If he's coming to do that, he is just wasting his time. So uZenzo then says, Khathazile. uKhathazile vela mise, guys, with her finger, like to say, wait a minute, uyabhala naphayana, she's busy. So that she looks up and she looks at uZenzo and she's like, ngakusiza ngani? uZenzo then says, angizile la njengobaba kaZethu. kodwa njengelunga lomphakathi elaziyo futhi ukuthi how dedicated and committed you are kumsebenzi wakho. Uyawusebenzela lo mphakathi kahle futhi and with love. UZethu uthathe isinqumo esinzima kabi, kodwa she was under pressure. Yebo, isenzo sakhe was a mistake, but her heart was in the right place. Umatron then says, Zenzo Shongwan. Angithi uyazi ukuthi kusasa iqala lamntanakho. Iqala alenze yena lo Zethu wakho. Angazi manje mina ke ukuthi ningifakelani, ngingenaphi mina lapho. UZenzo then says kahle hle, you using uZethu to punish me and uMashabalala. Umatron then says, yey wena Khehlandini. Umthetho wakho ucabanga ukuthi uyini wena? Ucabanga ukuthi wena uspecial like mina? She starts laughing. She's like, Azin, after all these years, ucabanga ukuthi ungavela uphuma la uphuma khona uzotshala mina ukuthi fanele ngithathe iziphi inqumo nokuthi ngicabange kanjani. Yithi ngikukhumbuze in case you've forgotten nokuthi ngikukushiye kwakuyisinqumo sami. UZenzo then says, kwakuyisinqumo sakho. Umatron then says, yazi wena usastakile we passed. If I had isibuko, I'd hand it to you right now. Ngicela ukuthi uzibheke wena, Usibheke wena ukuthi ungubani wena, nesubheke mina ukuthi ngubani mina. I've always wondered ukuthi indodakazi yakho where she gets this thing. Ingathi umhlaba wonke revolves around her. Namhlanje ke ngibonile finally ukuthi uyithatha wena. Uyabona wena, hamba uye kulo amuzi wakho owakhe ngenkohliso and everything engenamthetho. Phindela kuwona. Angikhaleli mina. UMashabalala nawe niyafanelana. Angifuna la unyathele khona. Ucabanga ukuthi uyini like mina, Sukuma njengamanje ungishiya. Phuma. UZenzo then says, hayi anginandaba mina ngawe vele. Umatron then says, phuma, hamba, sikhohlakala indini sexhegu. And then that scene ends like that. Guys, kanti uMatron and uZenzo, they have a history. That's why uMatron, she has such deep hate for uNokuzana, for uZethu. What if uMatron benaZenzo were dating and then he cheated on her, no Mashabalala, wavela uZethu? Because what else can explain or could be the reason for the hatred that uMatron has towards uZethu? Anyway, next scene, guys, we see uSfiso. He is at uShwabi's tavern. He is there for a drink. He's not wearing uniform. So he's sitting there. The way they're chilling, guys, is almost as if uShwabi was not arrested by uSfiso. So uShwabi then says, hey, uyabona le ndawo njengoba inje mfowethu. I started this place with one case of upiya. USfiso then says, how ngempela? uShwabi then says, njengoba uyibona inje nje. USfiso then says, well, hayi kusho ukuthi wena you hustled your way to get this place to be looking like this. uShwabi then says, mfowethu, unjalo. It's just that you know that as a man in this village of ours, awumula ukuthi uphakame and make something of yourself. USfiso then says, hayi ukhamisile. Yazi ngiyacabanga. It reminds me of a saying that I learned from my father as a young man, ngisalusa. Esithi indoda, yindoda ngumsebenzi wayo. Mele uvuke, uyibambe isashisa, ukuze uzokwazi ukubeka ukudla etafuleni. Kodwa-ke madlala, ukuthi uvuke ngokudayisela ingane zesikole utshwala, zidawe ingane, zibeke impilo zayo engcipheni, cha, ayingeke. Ngiyayicabanga lento yakho. It's not right at all. Kodwa qhubeka madlala. There's no need to stop hustling. Qhubeka ngokudayisela ingane utshwala la ekhaya, even after ngakhuza, zigwazane ingane. I will come here all alone. Slap handcuffs on you madlala. Ngikuthathe ngikusele epolice station. Kodwa-ke khuleka, I won't only charge you with selling alcohol to minors. Ngizovalela ngemeta. Umadlala, guys, umbona ukuthi amehlo akhe widening because he can see ukuthi le nto ayikhulumayo uSfiso, ukuthi uSfiso is serious. uSfiso goes on to say, futhi-ke ngiyazi ukuzolandelani. Your comrades and your lapdogs will come and try bazame ungivalele khoneni. Ngihlwithwe ibheja ngithi uthathwe isinkwa esandleni sami ngoba mina ngenze njani? Ngenza umsebenzi wami. Kodwa-ke anginandaba ngalento leyo. eBergville usekhaya kumina. awukho umfula engawubhukudanga. Ayikho intaba engalusanga buyona. I'm resourceful, Madlala. And then he just gets up and he walks nje kanjalo. Guys, that was a threat because I mean, the wife Kasfiso, she's not happy with the fact that Usfiso was arresting the counselor. The chief, or what, not the chief, the station commander. He's not happy with what Usfiso is doing. But listen, Usfiso is putting his feet down to say, you know what? Ingane zethu angeke zifele ezandleni zethu ngenxa yomuntu ofuna ukuvuka elifini ngabantwana. Guys, how I wish in real life we had police like this. Anyway, next scene we see Uzethu. She is getting into Ushobane's car. Phela Ushobane, remember Ushobane umkhaphile and they went to the hospital. Maybe figures better when she gets the nurse there. The nurse recognizes her and she's like, how tell someone ngingakusiza ngani? So Uzethu then says, uyakhumbula the day that I did the surgery. Was the doctor not? Once we trying to reach him and we couldn't reach him, that nurse just says, the doctor was here. Story psyche. So as she's trying to speak to the nurse, the doctor comes. And then he's like, and then Uzethu says, when Uzethu has a conversation with the doctor on the side, the doctor's figuring everything. He's like, no, I was here at the hospital 3 minutes from the time that you did the operation or started doing the operation. I was already in the hospital. Uzethu then says, hi bo, why you kamba manga? Because we tried to call you. He then says, hi, in network, in a battery. But anyway, if kukono wunye ofunu kuluma, you know where to send an email. And then I'll show you there to Njeganjalo. Guys, hi, shemuzit. So as she gets into the koga Shobane, Ushobane then also ugutu alright. Uzethu then says, kona inte engahlangani la. Ebegade ekheji nje. Ushobane then says, yeah. Khona kubukeka kanjalo. Uzethu then says, and that nurse? Yazi ebebukeka ebesaba nje, she seemed nervous. Ushobane then says, uyambona akafuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngale ndaba. Uzethu then says, Shobane, bengafuna ukusho kodwa this screams cover up. Ushobane then says, yeah. Uzethu then says, and uma wakho is involved. Ahle Ushobane. He looks at Uzethu, he's like, oh, serious? Uzethu's like, yeah, bo. Ushobane then says, hi, Taligache. Umangiyamazi. She would never do such a thing, how? Uzethu then says, vele ngazile. Ngazile uzomvikela. Angithi uyingelosi emehlweni akho. Ushobane then says, le ndaba ingathi iyakhuphuka. Nalela wetale. Umama, ngiyamazi ukuthi ungukhandashisa. But she always follows protocol. Futhi ke awunabo ubufakazi ngalento okhuluma ngayo. Uzethu then says, yazini, asiyeke. Anginazi ukuthi bengilindeleni. Ushobane then says, cha sithanda sami into engizama Uzethu then says, ngicela siyeke bandla. I don't want to talk about this anymore. Cala ungise ekhaya njengamanje, ngifuna ugoduka noma ngiyofuna itekisi. Ushobane then says, asabe dali, and then the scene just ends like that. Guys, I have a feeling ukuthi ambona lo Shobane, he's going to become one of Uzethu's worst enemies nje. The way this thing, I just have a feeling about it. I don't know how it's going to go down, but anyway, we shall wait and see. Next scene, we see eTavern kaShwabi. uShwabi is there, uPhuzanaba with his regular customers there. His wife, uMangobo, is there. So he's busy celebrating his wife there, telling one of his customers, ukuthi wena ushadile ngakutshela kudala ukuthi shada, uzithonela umfazi ofana nomkami and whatnot. So as he's speaking there, then kungena abantwana besikolo ordering alcohol. uShwabi goes over to them and he's like, hey bafana, nenzani lana? Isinina nifuna uzimoshela impilo zenu, hambani yoyimosha le, hayi lana. Angisafuna ukunibona lana, nitshela nabangani benu suhani lapha. He shoves them out of their tavern, guys. Shuthi get that threat that Usfiso gave uShwabi. uShwabi listened very well because here he is ushering the kids out of his tavern, as he should have done wasekuqaleni. Next thing that we see uMashabalala endlini ukhetha ama-sugar beans laphayana, guys, on the tray. Uzenzo angena endlini. He then says, Ndlovukazi. He sighs, guys, and then he sits down. He then says, yo, hayi, yazi ukhathazile. Azange afune ngisho ukungilalela. Ngizamile ukuzehlisa kuyena, kodwa yena wavele wangikhankatha nje, waze wangixosha nase-ofisini lakhe. Ngiyazisola nje ukuthi bengiyofunani laphayana. Umkakhe uMashabalala just looks at him and she's like, kodwa ngikutshelile angithi. As she's speaking like that, kungene uZethu emnyango. uZethu then says, sanibonani. uZethu then says, yebo. uMashabalala then says, yebo Zethu. uZethu ahlale phansi. uZethu then says, awusho ngani yami. Uhambe kanjani esibhedlela? uZethu then says, baba. Into engiyibone laphayana, wonke umuntu kuleya ndawo unamanga nje. Ikhona into abayifihlayo. Ngiyakutshela nasi futhi. As for uMatron Khathazile yena, as she's saying that, uMashabalala then says, yay Zethu, yay wena. How much must we lose ngenxa yakho? uZethu is shocked at this point, guys. I was even shocked ukuthi umemezelani uMashabalala. uMashabalala goes on to say, hey, uyabona khona manje kwenzakalani lana? Hey? Uyabona ukuthi ngenzani? Yonke leminyaka Zethu sidla amabhontshisi ngenxa yakho. You asked for ama-laptop, zonke izinto you got them. Yonke leminyaka angibazi ngizithengele ngisho ipitukothi. Kodwa wena usubuyile manje. Uzoba yisiphengu lana. Uzosusa ishingshayi. uZethu then says, kahle phela nawe nkosikazi. How? uMashabalala then says, baba, like to say ukuthi lengane. Like she needs to hear a piece of my mind. uZethu then says, hayi, kodwa nkosikazi. uMashabalala then says, lengane ayihambe iyoxolisa laphayana. Izendlale kulaba abantu. Aqala uxolo. Wena Zethu, uzoyeka uzenza ingathi uzala igwili. Nah, you're not the only one oneyidingo la ekhaya. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, that was such, like there's truth in everything uMashabalala is saying, but it was such a harsh way to turn uZethu. But guys, there is a truth in that. I know with him, when you graduate, with abazali bakho, they have a responsibility to take you to school. But when you graduate, guys, you must also think for your family and give back to them. So I guess the family is feeling like, uZethu's cabangela yena yedwa. And what about them? This is also their time where they thought, you know what, they'll be eating meat. Kodwa basadlana no bhontshisi. Anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.